For this presentation today, I am going to show you how to go from a table to a pattern. This picture explains how the figures are going to be, but I'm going up to 4 figures, not as many as 5. So I can break it down to make it easier for anybody that is watching my presentation and sliding through everything that will help figure out how to go from a table to any pattern. First, on the table, you need to have your X and Y axis. For the X axis, you are going to number how many figures you are going to have. And for the Y axis, the number is how many squares are going to be in that figure. I chose these numbers, but you could choose any numbers that are possible. But if you choose larger numbers, it'll be harder to draw for the figures. Breaking down the question, how would you go from a table to a pattern? First, for figure 1, you are going to draw on a graph paper 4 squares. Then do the same with the other figures and add on squares. I am going to show you another explanation on how to do figure 5. It is not as hard as you think, but I am going to show you. For figure 5, there is going to be 2 more than figure 4. And in figure 4, you have 10 squares. So there's going to be 2 more, and you're going to add 1 on each side. So for figure 5, you are going to draw in, and it's supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. And then you're going to draw it out up here and bring it up. And then you're going to have 6 at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that would be figure 5. This is my math practice standard. The reason I chose this one is because it explains throughout my presentation from how to go from a table to a pattern, and it explains that I can use the structure of a problem to help me find the answer, because my problem can be broken down into different pieces and solved very easily and not hard like any other problem.